Hey, I'm JD. Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe and please hit like. This is just a very quick update on this very nice Waltham pocket watch I've been working on. So I let it run overnight and it is bang on with respect to time. So it's running really well and the time is excellent. So I think we're good with this. I will let it run over the weekend again before I ship it, just to make sure it's not having any further issues of any type. And just to let you know, I did widen ever so slightly the left side banking pin on this to resolve the issue. So that's it. That's the quick update. And right now I've got to actually fix the stem on the seagull movement I was working on.